Good evening. Thanks so much for joining us. A plea deal was reached today in a Cherokee County courtroom involving the Joplin dentist charged in a fatal hit-and-run case. KSN 16's Dustin Latimer was in the courtroom today and has the story.
Officials with the Cherokee County Attorney's Office announced they secured a felony conviction against Dr. John Joseph for his actions in the aftermath of a 2023 hit-and-run that killed Gary LaTurner of Galena. On Wednesday, Joseph pled no contest to a reduced felony charge of attempted interference of law enforcement.
That means he didn't admit that he committed a crime. He just chooses to move on to put an end to this for everybody.
In a statement released after the hearing by County Attorney Kurt Beneke, he said, quote, John Joseph's actions in the aftermath of the accident obstructed the investigative process and the driver's duty to report, and thus warranted felony prosecution, end quote. This comes after months of investigation into the case involving Dr. Joseph's son, Rocco, who allegedly hit LaTurner in 2023 on West 7th Street. LaTurner's daughter says she stands by the conviction, but will continue to advocate for victims of hit-and-run cases.
I trust Kurt Beneke, so we're just going with what he wants, and again, fighting for justice in our way and definition, even if that's not related strictly to the court.
Officials said Dr. Joseph's conduct after the accident, quote, rose to the level of criminal interference, end quote. Investigators also said he later returned to the scene with his son, where they said LaTurner's body could be seen by both Josephs and reportedly nearby surveillance footage. Joseph faces anywhere from 5 to 13 months on probation. However, the court does have the right to reject the sentencing recommendation. On Wednesday, Rocco Joseph appeared by Zoom for his pretrial conference. He's still facing a charge of leaving the scene of a fatality crash. There's no word on what Dr. Joseph's plea deal means for Rocco's case. He is scheduled for another hearing on November 24th. Reporting in Columbus, I'm Dustin Latimer.
And there is much more to this case. You can read court documents and past stories that we have for you on our website.